Yep. Yo, I got the coral koozie. Y'all want a koozie? Let me know. Y'all give me a holler. Shoot me a message on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and let me know what color you want. I got this color, I got blues, and I got greens. $5 a piece. Just give me a holler. Give me a holler, and I'll get you something to you. Appreciate y'all. And there he is. And y'all, that is a good one. I'm gonna go ahead and tear it now. That's a good catfish. Yes, sir, it is. Yeah, that's a good one. Come here, buddy. Well, go ahead and tire yourself out. Yeah, that's a big cat. Yes, sir, that's a good one. I haven't seen him yet. Yeah, he's pretty good size. He's not a monster, but he is, I mean, he's pretty good. He's 2 or 3 pounds. Come here, boy. I hate having to try to pick them up like this because they usually break off, but yeah, that's a pretty good one there, boys. It's probably a, look at that hook. Look there, fell right out. Yeah, he's well, he's 2.5, 3 pounds maybe. He gonna eat good. Y'all, he pulled my string good fashion. Didn't take long either. Y'all, there's some big catfish in this pond. That one I just caught is about an average. They average 2 to 3 pounds. There's a bunch of 1-pounders, half-pounders, but there are some catfish in this pond that will go 5, 6, 7 pounds, and maybe even bigger. Tonight's the Daytona race, so we're gonna have a fish fry and eat fish and watch the race. Here comes the rain. Oh man, come on. How did you not hang on to that? Do it again, do it again. It's starting to rain, y'all, and I don't know if I'll be able to keep the GoPro going. I don't know if it says it's waterproof. I don't know. Y'all, I had to move the truck. It was starting to rain on us pretty good. I got my GoPro on the top of my hat here, and I didn't want it to good night. I'm standing by this daggum tree. It's raining pretty good now, boys. So y'all, was out here trying to fish, trying to catch some catfish for the wife. We're having a fish fry tonight, and she likes catfish. Well, I do too. We all do. I caught one big one, and then this showed up. But it seems like it's only going to last about 15 minutes, and then there's a big bunch. There's a big squall line coming. It's about the Florida line right now, but there's a gap, probably about a 30-45 minute gap between this that we got going on right now and that squall line. So I need to get at least 1, maybe 2 more cats to go along with the brim tonight, if this will slack up just for a little bit. So y'all stay with me. We're gonna try again. No, it's still raining, but the pool looks good. We got the pool in action. Y'all need like one more. One good one. Got the slab daddy. The slab daddy. There we go. Yep. No, don't go over there. Oh yeah, the old slab daddy boys. Gotta be careful with this slab daddy, man. This line is extremely, whoa. Whoa here, buddy. That's not a bad one. Not a bad one at all. Just don't break off, bud. Quit your fuss. You give her? Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Right here by the pool. Come here. I don't want you to get off. I don't want you to get off, boy. There we go. All right, y'all. There we go. Wait up for, yes, this is a jig head, by the way. Some of y'all might be looking at it going, what in the world is he fishing with? He got a jig head? Yep, it sure is. There you go, y'all. He's gonna eat good. That's a good old bream there. Yeah, look at there. Go forth and prosper. Ooh. Kitty. It's a good one too. Let him walk. I can't do hardly anything with this. It ain't but 6-pound test line. I got to be careful with it. Yep, it's another pretty good one. That'll do it right there, folks. Watch out now. Y'all, this is my cleaning station beside the pond here. Got my stuff here to clean with and get it all ready for tonight. Y'all, here's my catfish. I'm gonna show you how I do them, how I fillet them. Everybody's got their own way of doing it. I'm gonna show you my way. And I've cleaned a many catfish in my time. A lot of people say, man, why do you throw that good piece away? Because I don't want it. That's the biggest reason why I throw it away. I'm giving back to the turtles. I got pet turtles in here. They like to eat too. So that's what we're gonna do. So what I'll do now is I'll go in behind where this rib cage is right here, and I'll just slide it like that right there, and I'll just start mowing it down right on that backbone. And then I'll just go right down the backbone just like this right here. Boom. Some people have a different way, some people have different techniques. That's just the way I do it. Pilgrim. Boom. And it turns out really good, so I keep with what I know, man. Just like that. Show you how I cook these bad boys up in a little while too. All right, y'all, we're cleaned up. Time to go to the house. Get ready to do some fish frying in a little bit. About 2 more hours, we're gonna start frying fish. Got the IndyCar race on. We're gonna be watching the Coke Zero 400 here in a little while. Hopefully, if it don't rain it out. Katie Waterwoods. Got my fish right here. We're gonna go back here in a little bit in the back. I'll show you what I got going back there where the fryer is. So got the fish frying. So anyway, sorry I didn't get to finish the cooking, the whole fish fry deal yesterday, but we kind of got in a rush a little bit. We thought it was gonna rain, so we didn't get to finish the video like I wanted to, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was fun catching those catfish, and it was fun getting, you know, the family and friends over here to have fish fries. So that was a lot of fun. We had a good time. Had some drinks and watched the race last night, and just had a ball. We went a ball. So anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Spread the word about Katie Waterwoods. Remember to check me out on Twitter and Instagram and Facebook as well. A lot of good stuff coming up. A lot of hunting coming up. Hunting season starts in 2 weeks. Bow season, and we're going to be getting that going. Man, it is hot, but I'm gonna go in here and relax the rest of the day and chill out. And we'll catch you guys on the next video. As always, thank y'all so much for checking me out and watching my videos. I can't say enough for the support I've had with the channel. So thank y'all, and God bless, and we'll catch y'all in the next video.